get the shock ups replaced by blindly. That's such a beautiful vehicle which made it much better. Braking has become smooth. That I can definitely feel and tell you. The minute you brake hard, emergency braking, love your vehicle and you want it better and beautiful, you should get your shock ups changed. And if you love your family and want them to have a better experience, you should definitely do it. Ask me, should I buy? I'll say, if you're okay with a rough suspension, this is a beautiful vehicle. Because the minute you go on a rough terrain, this vehicle used to roll. Now it doesn't roll. It just doesn't roll. Brake hard. Distance remains same. But you don't feel the screech.